So I only turned scrum half at the end of my under 19 year.
Okay.
Wag op. Wait a minute.
Huh?
Ja.
Wat was Krappie?
Fullback.
Fullback. Okay.
Wat is dat?
Yo.
So I always felt like the quick taps when I have the ball in hand and I get the chance to attack. That came very like natural for me. But it was like I had to really put in the work to get my basics.
Yeah, the scrum, the passing of the base, the kicking game as well.
And when to do it, when not to do it, when to shape a bit, when not to shape a bit.
Till
That's
19
obviously
years old, 15.
Yeah, a bit of 10 in school, but 10 and 15. Yeah,
It was only been a couple of years of playing 9.
And I played Academy Week 12.
Okay.
What? Dit maakt die story mal.
The lightest inside center that the Academy probably ever had.
So there wasn't momentum in a vacuum, but it was out the back.